Climbing stairs. How do you appropriately climb stairs? A lot of times as we get older, the body wants to lean forward and everybody wants to put all this pressure through their knees, and going up and down stairs becomes much more challenging. So the ideal position in climbing up stairs is just like walking. We want to maintain an upright posture, so we keep your chest, your rib cage, your pelvis all lined up, just as if we talked about in the posture checklist, but taking that into a more dynamic movement. So we want to think of that pelvis leading the motion. So we're thinking of that back leg pushing us up onto the front leg pressing down, and floating the next leg up to the step before you. So we're just going one right after another, using the handrail as needed for balance. If you notice that you have pain in one leg, you're recovering from something, think of the idea of you go up with the good leg first. So that foot goes onto the step first, the next foot comes up to match it, and you take one step at a time. On the way down, you would lead with the bad leg. So whatever leg is hurting, that one goes down first, the other one comes up to match it. So you take one step up and one step down at a time. Ideally, we work ourselves back up to doing our alternating stair climbing.